My people, Mariam, aka Ajiya, 23 years old girl. She don't go kidnap boyfriend because according to her, the boyfriend refused to marry him as they decide. These people don't they date since they do things together. Okay, time to marry now. My people, now so the guy just start, they change topic, they change behavior, they change everything. Now so this girl come to say, oh boy, this matter no go end the way you think. Oh, say when I don't they do am to other girls, it no go happen to me. No be serious, you know. And her uncle train am for this kidnapping business. Hey, now so the uncle come tell her say, okay, now like this we go do am. Since you no gree marry you and you don't suffer for this boy, we go kidnap am, hide am, then we go ask for 5 million naira ransom. My people, to hold and behold. Now so they do am. They carry the plan out, kidnap this guy. In family come pay 5 million naira, and the uncle can give this mumu girl 800,000 only out of 5 million. Huh? I know just they understand some kind of things. So guess now they kidnap. Hey. I mean, which world will they live like this? I mean, where person can't they safe now? Because now me, I don't even understand. Girls, they kidnap men. Not be smart, you know. And now as they don't release the guy based on the 5 million as they agree, police don't come catch this girl. They say they must arrest her. How old you be? 23. We don't even see this girl picture. I be the thing na one old mama. We not sure say this girl sabi her age. 23 like this. My people, the kind matters where they reach us these days. I bet where will they go? Hi, bros. Oga, you where they don't kidnap. You go dump woman we come from kidnapping family. You know they fear. Eh? Your next life, eh? Nobody go tell you. If you see northerners, you go they dodge them. If you see northerners, they come here, you go they pack. Nobody go tell you anything. You don't go enter. Fear women, oh. Gone are the days when you understand, we they do women are egg. Treat them like egg. We not be egg again. Wait, I involve myself inside. Sorry, they not be egg again. No, me, I be good person. You understand? Fear women. No, I dey imagine now how that whole area will come be. Let me say boys for that place now, they no go grade it again. Hey? Imagine after this hot matter. Who go know if now you go one date person for that place? Not be about her family now, the whole area, the whole community. You no go one, you go dey fear, say, I be make her not just go catch the one way now me go be next victim. My people, things they happen, no. Serious things they happen. Una go soon jam this type. Boys, all of una way like they play women. Una go promise, una go fail. Una go soon jam this one because they never finish. Insist, even if they arrest this one, she gets sisters. So the lineage, in fact, the line. Before you date woman, whether a woman or man, because men too they kidnap, dig deep. Find out, make inquiries. So people get generational problem. Because this one now generational from the father to the brother can't give uncle can't even pass out to the hi Chineke. Many things they happen, so my people now wait till they happen for year. I said this one. No, this one be past my power. Because I'm not even fish out. Now I say make a bring and come for now. Meanwhile, another interesting matter day here. Hey, Bukom, Banku. Hey, no be smart, you know. For in a way they follow back to back. I don't bring a correct update from this matter. I just show many of you go remember say this guy. Now be waiting be named Patapa competitor. That period. When come outside, they make noise. Him and Queen Pizzy. Say, since Patapa don't leave me, now I don't collect my new obroni. Now wait till they boast up and that they kiss, they chop love, rough, everything. More, not be smart, you know. And now, relax because this one a bomb. Now I bring una like this. Una no go believe say, hey, this same Bukom Banku way, this guy they praise, they hype anyhow. He don't dump am like rag. Ask me who he follow. Akuapem Poloo. And they tell you serious matter now. They even do video, they kiss. If una see kissing, they even they declare love. This one, they even plan their marriage. Say make we watch her. Say very soon, ring go did that finger. I bet my people, I no one waste on our time. You understand? I want make una watch them. The new couple that they chop love. Make we watch the video.
You see my fresh name? Aproko Poloo. The fresh lady in town. It's my former girlfriend. Now we'll continue.
Yes, watch out. I told you guys that the English school for me. No, my husband to be. We are both one. This year, 2021, a lot of things. Where the watch out. Wait.
Kiss me.
No be there endo. See you now. And now and they talk to una like this, Queen Pizzy. Don't vex. In fact, that one it be like waiting they just bring her from stove. She hot. She don't come outside. Come threaten Akuapem Poloo. Tell her say if she catch am, say me she better leave a man alone, no, because now she know the joke. I beg. I want make una hear her from the horse's mouth herself because this matter they very hot. Make we watch Queen Pizzy.
Akuapem Poloo 1. Akuapem Poloo 2. Akuapem Poloo 3. You know my name. My name there is Queen Pizzy. Okay. First one. Me, Queen Pizzy. Offering me chromo. Bukom. I am me chrome ni. I am a Japan. Yeah. Me.
My sister, no run mad though. No just run mad because where they see you now, be like say you go soon come out that clothes where you wear. They start they run for streets. You never see anything. This one, you they learn work. Before, my obroni. You don't say obroni, I be how market. See una they fight for. Hey Chineke, bleaching ambassador of Africa. See the man's skin. I'm not sure. I beg if I see this man face to face, I'm not sure say I go fit up again. Now they die, now they fight. I beg, Patapa Biko, enjoy your life. Wherever you there, I don't say you just they laugh because they laugh because me I they join you to they laugh this madness when it just they happen. And my people they wait for the wedding, you know, because now Patapa don't marry. So this one, Miss Quincy, she been they plan marry Bukom Banku. As you no work now, see another one don't come. They still they talk about marriage. I beg we they wait for the marriage, oh Banku boy.